Hello, friends. Every seasoned gardener understands a simple truth. The better your soil, the larger your harvest, and the brighter your flowers. If you have ever tried digging your first planting hole here in our mountain landscape, you quickly realize our native soils can be incredibly hard. If we skimp on our spring preparation to soften the ground now, our garden's production will drop close to zero. Today, I am sharing my secrets for building bountiful soil that returns bushels of produce and a season full of flowers. January is the best month to amend your garden beds. It gives the garden time to rest before our official planting season begins on March 1st. Our mountain soils naturally lack organic materials like compost, manure, and leaf mold. Because plants use up these resources every year, we have to top off our beds each spring. The ultimate soil recipe: the base. Start with a 2-inch layer of a 50-50 blend of Waters Barnyard manure and Waters Premium mulch. The quality. This aged manure is deodorized, rich, and mature. It isn't smelly or slimy. The benefits: this blend ensures proper drainage, encourages healthy root growth, and improves water retention. Before we turn that organic layer into the soil, we need to add a few vital extras to provide the calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus our plants crave. Gypsum, calcium sulfate. This provides calcium to prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and helps break up heavy clay. Fruit and vegetable food, 6-4-4-7. This organic food provides the perfect NPK ratio, plus 7% calcium for a heavy harvest and striking colors. Soil sulfur. Over the season, soil pH tends to creep up. When it gets too high, nutrient absorption stops and plants may yellow or wilt. Granular soil sulfur is the necessary correction for every mountain garden. Once your additives are sprinkled, turn everything into the soil to a depth of 1 shovel. Freshly turned soil is light and airy, so it is imperative to tread carefully. Use predefined paths or a wooden plank to avoid compacting the ground. We need at least 2 good winter storms, or 2 deep waterings, to settle the soil before March. This ensures amendments integrate evenly and protects your plants from root damage. If you need help with exact quantities, bring your garden measurements to me at Waters Garden Center. And don't forget our free gardening classes every Saturday at 9:30 a.m. Our next one on February 7th covers home orchards. Until next time, I'll be helping local gardeners get dirty here at Waters Garden Center.